Yeah, when you see so many, good. Hello, everybody. Good. Hello, everybody. Is that even a thing? All right, welcome. So, สวัสดีครับ we are here again to see where the market will take us. Recovery ไหม ไปดู bigger time frame กันนะครับ bigger time frame 1 hour extremely bearish no signs of recovery no signs of recovery at all ดูสิครับ as you can see there's no signs of recovery we keep getting have a double top. This is a classic head and shoulder we have a very potential downside but คือ head and shoulder เนี่ย we see many times we also see many times that recovers from the head and shoulder but that doesn't mean it's more likely everything according to the macro market คือ US dollar is very strong the US dollar it is strong and it is going to keep going up if I have to be honest with you because the US dollar keeps going up you see the 1 hour time frame but the good news is that its trajectory is going down but for a country that has so much debt I don't think we're gonna see it doing well anytime soon so we have to assume that this is bearish it can be bearish unless it's not this is the recovery point look at it it's starting to recover a little bit but I'm not sure how well it's gonna go มันจะไปถึงตรงไหนเนี่ยเราต้องมาดูกันนะครับ I want you all to make money I want to make money I want you to make money along with me and what we are doing is that we are planning for smart money concept smart money concept is that you're trying to predict the trend as best you can คือเราจะลอง predict ว่าแบบเทรนด์มันไปทางไหนนะครับ we're trying to predict where the trend is gonna go how we're gonna manage with the trend and we go from there yeah looks like the bearish force is subsiding as you can see here in 1 minute time frame using a gold swing strategy and trend tunnel strategy คือ2 indicator นี้นะครับ it's just screaming short. It's too much. The RSI keeps saying oversold, overbought. But in the end, if you look at the RSI here, the price keeps going down, but the RSI is just maintaining, especially this one. This is a classic divergence. ก็ divergence เลยนะครับจุดนี้ lower lows แต่ว่า RSI higher the same and then start to recover. Overall it's still bearish. Let's mark the area of interest. Yeah, this is where we want to go, where we want to see. คือเราอยาก see ตรงนี้มากเลยนะครับ so we want to see this. We want to see around this area. ดูตาม area นี้เลยนะครับ This is the area that we really need to watch for. Once it go past this area, then we might have to turn heads a little bit. If there's a signal short, ถ้ามันมีช็อตมานะครับก็เริ่มเข้าไปใหม่ได้แต่ว่าอันนี้มันเปลี่ยนมาเป็น bullish แล้วนะ recovery เพราะว่า it's too much. Let's look at history. Same bottom, high chance of recovery. We may see retracement ขึ้นไปก่อนแต่ตอนนี้ก็ maybe there's a chance of recovery. If there's a buy here, maybe we go for it because we just recovered about 0.6% in a matter of minutes, hours. คือแบบขึ้นลง 1% 2% เป็นเรื่องปกติแล้วนะครับของทองคำ so a move 1% move, it's just a normal day. It is just a normal day in gold market, CFD gold market. So of course I was in this market because I want to get rich quick and I got hurt badly. But luckily that I was lucky enough to actually gain substantial amount of money to lose. So my capital is actually protected. So until I discover SMC, because I didn't know what the heck I was doing. And then I was seeing this, and then I say I don't want people to have lost like what I did. So that's why I'm doing this. คือสตอรี่ของผมนะครับสตอรี่ของผมเนี่ยคือบอกเลยว่า market นี้เนี่ยผมเล่นมาแบบพนันขาขึ้นตลอดไม่มีความรู้นะครับฟังข่าวจริงไม่ค่อยได้ช่วยอะไรมากแล้วคือแบบ I was always betting the market to go up and eventually paid off against a substantial amount of money. But yeah, I'll tell you in a minute how much I lost. But now I'm starting to survive the market. I don't want to lose my money again. คือไม่อยากเสียแล้วเราก็เลยต้องมาทำตามโปรนะครับอันนี้ผมเรียนมาจาก Wealthiness Academy ทำตามโปร SMC นะครับ SMC คือ Smart Money Concept คือเราจะตามเทรนด์อย่างเดียวรอ confirmation of trend. This is actually sideways market at this moment. Sideways, small sideways market, short term sideways. So we just gonna wait. Raw 80% of trading is waiting. So this is the first area to short potentially. and this is area to buy. Let's see if that's gonna go our way. Long. Wow, okay. We might buy a breakout here. But look at 15 minutes. 15 minutes does not, did have a short. 5 minutes did have a buy here. Very nice buy. Did have a sell here. Conflicting. Conflicting, very conflicting. Let's say bounce sell na, bounce sell. This long? No. Let's look at the volume na. Let's look at the volume. Low volume. No buyers or sellers. 4 hours volume. Very, very low volume. Extremely high volume on the peak. Now it just keeps getting, it's not too bad here. High sell volume. If it's in the middle of this trend. So smart money conceptนะครับ we don't trade around this tunnel here. We trade above or below. So this one's not a very good one. Stay away from it. So here if it closed with a nice price action, I'll jump in, but no, doesn't look like it. Doesn't look like it closed with a nice price action. Definitely not going in. This position right here, I'm not sure how well it's gonna do for me, but everything is in the condition that I always wanted. All right. All right. Entered at 3975. Around here and looking promising. Looking promising for recovery, nah? Even though overall it looks bearish, but now it's having a higher lows, maybe รอเลยครับใครได้ตรงนี้แจ่มเยี่ยม There are wait for price action and then follow. Very nice. Active trade. Active trade. Let's go. Active trade. Active buy. This market, I expect every single moment to kill me. Clone this. Down this. The background has to be red because it's stop loss. This is entry point, and this is taking profit. Green. Anything could happen. There are already signs of weakness. All right. 3975. 3975. SL 3965 TP 3995 type 888 view trade alrighty Alrighty, let's go. Let's see. We just have to make a discipline. Yesterday I didn't have a discipline. I chickened out. Honest to God, I did chicken out. Otherwise I would have won one trade, but no, I chickened out. That's not good. So don't chicken out like me. Stay to your plan. Okay, even though it looks like, oh no, it's going to go down, stop my losses. Oh no, just let it be, because the system you already have is good. คือต้องบอกเลยว่าแบบ system อะที่ you trade มาดีอยู่แล้วนะครับ you ต้องเชื่อมั่นเพราะว่า you test มาแล้วนะครับ you test มาแล้ว you back test 100 orders 50 orders have to trust in it. Okay. let's see how it goes. And the time for analyzing is over. Now it's time for iron hand or close beforehand. Let's see. Decision time. Decision time, guys. See here, nah. It's either gonna psh or it's gonna it's gonna psh, go That depends. That depends. All right. Do you go or do you know? Volume, high volume, but low impact. The bear is still winning. The bear always wins unless there's like a big hefty hand that just goes you know, just go คือแบบต้องรอเจ้ามาตบทีหนึ่งตบขึ้นไปบ้างสิอะไรประมาณเนี้ย So what's the new saying? I don't think it's going to be bullish for gold tonight. Let's see. News calendar. Chairman Wash speaks at the 2000. Kevin Wash speaks. Kevin Wash speaks. Very nice. Oh, okay. Challenger job cuts. There's going to be tons of job cuts because of the AI. AI is going to take over the world, guys. Still winning. Are you winning, son? Are you winning, son? All right. Raw. The first high, real high, higher RSI, higher RSI, higher RSI. It's about the same. So if this is staying this for a long time, this price staying for a long time, I don't think we're gonna see much of a price action soon. as expected. It's performing a triangle here. This one is also performing a triangle. 75, 74. I don't know how much of a chance of recovery that is. The volume is quite low now. The news doesn't really help. Just have to hold on. I don't like the gesture at all, man. No. 1.5 is okay. So look at this. How well is it gonna do? Is it gonna go up? Is it gonna go down? The bullish engulfing. Oh, okay. As you can see, it is a bullish engulfing, guys. For those who have never been trading and before, this is called bullish engulfing, meaning that there's a bearish side and then there's a bullish side, closed by another bullish side. And of course, the market can just answer your question with another bigger bearish engulfing. But this is a good entry, which we just did enter. And here's a long signal too. So upside, there is a chance. I'm not saying that will be, because nobody can know. But yeah, I'll stay the same. This is they're forming a bearish engulfing. A classic bearish engulfing, destroying the dreams of all bulls this afternoon. Doesn't really seem to break that much. Just saying, yep, I'm gonna break, and then I'm gonna break, and I'm gonna. Yeah, we can safely say that might be bearish, but let's see. That's definitely bearish. And the bulls will be like trying to fight it a little bit, like, oh yeah, I can do it, but no. definitely bearish, guys. For sure. For sure. Unless the market says, look at this, it's like this. Nah. So probably going to eye on for this again now. But for now, it's quite bearish. Discipline. So no. I do trust because the 1 minute time frame is it's a little bit funny, this feeling inside. This feeling inside. So what's going on in here? Is it breakfast? I don't know if it's breakfast, but I sure as hell hungry for some money. รอครับรอเงิน money clear energy room เสื้อสายมูกันไหม Do you like the energy clearing sound? I do like the energy clearing sound, but what I do like more is the energy cleansing for this. Let's look at the US dollar. มาดู US dollar กันนะครับ ไปทางไหนยืดขึ้นเลยครับยืดขึ้น Trying to beat the previous high. Not sustainable. Look at it. This not really sustainable. Doesn't look quite sustainable. It should really go below. Look at that. Can perform a bullish flag. This one might perform like another bullish flag. Let's see นะ Let's go back to gold กลับมาดูทองกันครับกลับมาจุดเดิม จุดเดิมที่เราเคยเจอกัน so back where we started what's next patient ผมบอกเสมอนะครับ remember 80% of trading is waiting okay wait just wait maybe you can wait maybe you have to wait until like 6 p.m. or something but just wait try how many times it hit this area 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 it bound to be some good news for the bulls guys and if it hits 1000 TP if it hits 1000 TP then I'm gonna do a special I'm gonna do 10 push-ups even though I'd usually do 100 so another price label TP1 that's TP1 I'm going to make it a little bit funny it's feeling inside and then it's met with another bearish sign here if it can't pass here we dead if it can then we good and my plan is that if it's struggling to pass here I'm gonna move my stop loss around here as simple as that another bearish engulfing all right keep on engulfing stay calm yep another bearish engulfingโหดจุงวะ62โหดจุงวะOh, did I scare you there? Oh, sorry, nah. Just sorry. Just want to make the stream a little bit more exciting. Go, go, go. Keep on going. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Just all right. All right. This area you have to watch very carefully. Okay. Quite an engulfing we have here. All right. Oh, I'm gonna do something. I have to turn off the mic first. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Oh, what's happening here? Testing the waters. Look at the RSI is very high. Not as high. Good sign. So waiting. So waiting, yes. all right. What else can I say about this one? But beautiful. Up. I think the jobs opening's bad. Meaning that non-farm soon. Uh-oh, what is this? Negative 45. What is this? This is bad. This is freaking bad. Actual less than forecast is good for the actual less. Challenge job cuts. This is bad for gold. Challengers job cuts negative 45 previous. So there's no previous. There are no forecast. Let's see 30 minutes. Very weak. It's extremely weak. Quite strong. Quite weak. There might be hope for redemption yet. Just you wait, guys. รอสักครู่นะครับ ดอลลาร์ชนข่าว2 ทุ่มวันนี้ไหมครับ ผมไม่ชนข่าวดิพูดตรงๆผมเอาตามผมตามนี่เลยครับตามเทคนิคเลย smart money อย่างเดียวเพราะว่าเคยดูข่าวแล้วมันไม่ใช่ทางผมแต่ว่าข่าวเนี่ยผมแนะนำเลยว่าแบบช่วงที่มันน้ำมันพุ่งสูงอะทองแม่งลงชิบหายวายวอดแบบแล้วก็ถ้าเกิดสงครามไม่ยุติอย่างเงี้ยไปต่อเรื่อยๆทองลงแน่นอนเช้าต่อมานี่เปิดแก็ปเลยนะครับซึ่งเว็บไซต์ที่ผมใช้ดูอยู่เนี่ยจริงๆก็คืออันนี้นะนี่ตามนี้ได้เลยบอกมาหมดเลยบอกว่าอะไรบ้างซึ่งล่าสุดเพิ่งไปเมื่อกี้นี่เองนะครับ Challenger Job Cuts น้อยกว่าที่คาดซึ่งดีต่อ USD นะซึ่งผมก็มองว่ามันก็มีสิทธิ์ไปต่อสำหรับ USD นะครับ Non-Farm Employment Change ทุ่มหนึ่งผมว่าเลขปั่นแน่นอนนะครับทองมีสิทธิ์ที่จะชิบหายวายวอดเลยคือถ้าเกิดเอาจริงๆนะถ้าเกิดแบบ position ผมอะก่อนทุ่มหนึ่งยังไม่ปิด TP ผมก็ปิดแล้วนะผมไม่รอข่าวแรงแล้วก็ Fed Chairman Wash speaks hawkish แน่นอนนะครับ hawkish แน่นอนเขาจะเอา USD ไว้ก่อนหรือมีเซอร์ไพรส์ก็ไม่รู้นะเพราะว่าWash เนี่ยเขาแปลกๆส่วนตัว Wash เขาแปลกๆนะครับอันนี้เริ่ม from double top แล้วหรือเปล่าผมมองว่าควรที่จะการหน้าทุนแล้วไหมtrimester 77 ไป the base ก่อน All right, so how do we protect ourselves? Do we just stay with discipline? Because it's forming a double top, and this one has some more aggressive RSI. We don't know if we able to push through. This one is the same, but this one is even more bearish. Let's see the recovery from the past yesterday. So we have to see what's the turning point here. It's no clear-cut turning point. Okay. We just have to be very careful now. คือไม่รู้มันจะผ่านไปหรือเปล่า Let's see the dollar. How did the dollar perform on the past news? It was good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. 15 minutes time frame. The dollar is good. Not good for gold. Not good for gold. Not good for gold. Very good. Not good for gold. นะครับ Very not good for gold. Because the US dollar is dominating. คือ US dollar ไปแล้วนะครับ บอกเลยว่าไปแล้ว15นาที3นาทีก็ได้อะแท่งเต็มๆอย่างนี้พอจะทุกถ้าทะลุได้นี่จบข่าวจบเลยนอนฟาร์มชนนอนฟาร์มไม่น่ารอดทองคือ personally I'm very bullish on gold extremely bullish แต่ว่า seeing this is really hardเซลแล้วนะปิดก่อนไปที่ครึ่งหนึ่งดีไหมไม่น่ารอดว่ะเอาแล้ว slowly pushing forward to just dumps I believe oh yeah the USD is starting to dump okay I understand 82 will it break when it hits 85 then expect something นะ expect something แล้วนะ looking very 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 uncertain ดูไม่ค่อยดีเลยนะ It's very strange because it is actually very strange because gold market doesn't usually go up with the USD, you know? So maybe an exit point somewhere around mid breaks. Okay, it's reaching our TP1. Where it's gonna go? Where it's gonna go? Where is it gonna go? Big candle หรือเปล่า Big candle down. I believe it might be a big candle down. Whoosh. A really nice candle down. Oh, okay. ไปต่อหรือพอแค่นี้ Do we keep going or do we just stop? We just have to wait and see. Do we take profit now? Okay, this one is too strong. Too strong to fight. Oh no, this is low volume. This one has very little volume. No. This is just a short squeeze. Short squeeze. Oh no. Volume น้อยมากเลยอะ Volume น้อยมากครับ ไม่ถึงสักทีนะ 1,000 จุดก็พอไหม คิดไปต่อหรือพอแค่นี้มันไม่มีแรงซื้ออะโอ้โอเค Big volume นะ Big sell volume but the price doesn't really move there might be chance yet รอดูแล้วกัน but as you can see the price is going up right คือราคาขึ้นแต่ว่า น้อยลงไม่มีแรงซื้อเว้ยเตรียมขายหมดหน้าตักดีกว่าไม่ไหวSo what did we sell on here? Oh, I can actually copy a bearish good bullish sign because very high volume แต่ว่า price ก็ตึงหนึ่งทีวีหนึ่งไปก่อนไปCome on, hit it, come on, hit my TP1. I got a victory bell, come on, victory bell, come on. TP1, again. I just set a TP1. I'm sorry. To see if the strength is okay, but if it's not, oh no, we're gonna miss TP1. ไปแล้ว Come on. TP1. How much is that? 0.774. Come on. 0.74. Come on, hit it. So I can ring it. No. Come on. 0.74, please. Why you do this? Why you do this? Why you do this? Come on. Hit it. Come on now. Come on now. Oh, thank God. Hit. We close half our position. We secured $30. My mom made me. Isn't that nice? It's nice, right? Very nice. So $30 secured. Can it keep going? Celebrate TP1. Celebrate TP1. Let's go! I'm gonna do 10 push-ups. Should I change that? I'll just wait. $30 is enough for me for today. Just kidding. It's never enough. Yeah. We can walk away with a nice $20 again, so that's $50. Okay, I'm gonna do 10 push-ups now. Can I do the dips instead? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, nice. Okay, I'm gonna close it off now. Close it off now. Cool, cool, cool. We did close it off. Closed. Because it looks like it's losing steam here. And the volume is quite low. Look at that, the volume is quite low. And there's a short signal here. Very, very dangerous. Yay, profit. Oh, profit. That's a profit of I think about 0.025% of my portfolio. Crisp. You can just keep going forever and ever drifting, but there's no real volume for me to see. You see, the volume keep decreasing. Look at 30 minutes. I mean, it could keep going, but I would like to stay away from it for now. So TP, hello, just see the live at this time. At the first time. Hello, welcome. Welcome. Glad you can join. We just closed our first TP. Close TP 1000 pips. Building a base. See whether to go up or down. We don't know. So I'll be here for another, it's here about 6:30 or something. But hey, if it keeps going, then go for it. I don't mind, but I exited it. 176, 78. So it's $2 short, so 3 more chances. Okay. Welcome for the first time. Yeah, don't forget to leave a like and help your boy out so I can keep making contents like this. Yeah, road to $1 million. I am truly blessed for $1 million in my bank account. Speaking it like the present tense. Eventually it will come. Very nice. there it goes. It'll probably be reaching about this was our original plan. What's happening with the DXY? Jesus Christ. Yeah, doesn't really make sense when the US dollar is thriving in the gold is also thriving. It doesn't make sense, and the volume is really low. I think it's quite a warning sign. We might have to short it. Yeah, this is slowly price up. That's scary, man. And I'm not if it hits this point, I don't regret it at all, because at that moment there's a lot of fighting and low volume. This one is getting a bit higher. This one is a bullish candle because the downside is a very high volume, but the price doesn't really move. So it's quite a highly bullish move. So there are somebody supporting the price. But the dollar, dude, somebody might know something we don't. The dollar keeps going up. And maybe there'll be some tanking to do. Oh my God. Do we hit TP2? If we do, then it'd be really nice. But at this time, I'm going to just sit this one out for now and relax for the next plan. The big area that we have to watch for is this area. Either to go buy or sell. This area too. Maybe there's going to be a retest. Okay, let's have a little break, shall we? I'm gonna go to a party break, and you guys can look at my beautiful. Where is it? Where's my beautiful? Oh, it's on another computer. I'm going to browse my thumbnail. It's 90 already. Very nice. Okay, I'm sorry guys. I'm just gonna edit it. I'm gonna do a filter. I'm gonna do what is this? Crop. Come on. There's no crop. Sorry guys. Oh, there it goes. Oh, it's almost hit out to. Oh my goodness. The time that I you know, not too greedy is the time that I regret it. Well, I said I won't regret it. I won't regret it, man. I won't regret it. There must be a filter somewhere. Crop. Scaling aspect. Sharpen. Chroma key. What the hell is this? There's no cropping. Oh wow, the time that I'm not greedy. Well, at least I survived the market to live the other day. That's 15 minutes. There's no volume here. There is no volume here. And probably short, probably taking profit or something. There is no volume here. Dangerous. Maybe the price of gold is actually revealing itself right about now. Nobody wants to sell below above this price. Nobody wants. Everybody's just buying below this price for sure. Render delay, scaling aspect, scroll sharpen, chroma key color correction, iPad, image marks. Very scary, guys. No volume. Okay. Have this beautiful face of me while I go to the toilet, okay? Okay. Let's have a toilet break. I didn't just that. I got an alert before I go to the loo. The dollar actually passed. If the dollar show dominance, gold is done for, dude. Gold is gonna go down deep under, and there's no stopping. Okay, there's no stopping. In this meantime, you wait. No volume and the price is starting to skyrocket like this. It's never a good sign. As you see, the price is starting to come down. Okay, let's look at the XY for now. If it breaks this channel here, then that means the acceleration is nice. But I don't think nobody wants a toilet paper, dude. Nobody wants a toilet paper. I still gotta go to the loo. Sorry guys. I'm just gonna go to the toilet. All right, we almost at our target. So the non-farm will be, I would say, that is 0.02. I would say not very bullish for dollar, because in the end of the day, toilet paper is toilet paper. You don't want something that you own that can be changed all the time. It's not finite, because the time that you already spent is finite. You already work for somebody. You can't get that time back. That's finite. But US dollar is essentially when you're working for someone, and that someone just change, like, okay, if it's 15 years from now, the hours that you work for 2 hours would turn out to be 1 hour. But these days, if you have to, in order to earn the same amount, you'll have to work twice as much in order to earn the same. For the DXY, if it did touch and then it falls. And if it does fall here to the same resistance here, then gold might be going up. 93 already. The only time when I'm not greedy. What do you know about that? Well, it's good to keep my discipline alive. C long. You suggest that we should go long again. But hey, this was a gift for someone who can use the tool. And if you do like this content, please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a like. And it really helps me out a lot, mentally and physically. And this one is from the note from yesterday. But today, yeah. I'm Thai, but I love listening to English. Hello. I can speak to English. My English is very good, nah. My English very good. You like my English? Excuse me. I really like these words. Yeah, glad that you like listening to English. I do speak in English a lot. among my friends and stuff. But yeah, just have to wait. Just have to wait. มี just wait นอนฟาร์มบอกเลยว่าบอกเลยว่านอนฟาร์มอยู่เฉยๆ just waiting this is non farmเยี่ยมเทรดกันไหมครับ Do you guys trade Do you guys watch here for entertainment or for guidance or for what just want to know just want to know oh this is not good for the US dollar show its true color toilet paper is gonna be toilet paper วันยังค่ำวันยังค่ำผ่านไม่ได้ผ่านไม่ได้เลย 4 hours very bullish from that day but พักฐานแล้วมั้ง but it should be bullish soon if the non-farm is good Fed Chairman Wash speaks so next 2 hours will determine the next 2 hours will determine whether gold or the US dollar DXY where is the direction is gonna go so be patient and enjoy the ride this is the 4-hour time frame it's very minuscule and doesn't look very bullish it will just keep going down and going down and going down for the 1-day time frame it just looks even more bearish for the week time frame we are in now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 6 7 8 8 weeks straight of falling where is that in the history where is that in history but anyway let's go back to 1 minute time frame seeing where this price is gonna go where the price is gonna go nowhere I say I'm a new to trader, 10 months learning to look for right signal. Oh, okay. The thing about signal is that sometimes you miss it, sometimes you don't miss it. Meaning that it's the way about signal is that you have to understand every signal, okay? If you don't understand one signal and you go in blindly, so meaning that if you don't understand the signal and you go in blindly, it's gonna mess you up long term. Meaning that if there's a bad day, you're gonna have to you're gonna start losing faith in the signal. Meaning that I really want to go in here. If I go in here, give you signal, and if it goes down, what would you do? You'll be like, okay, this is not a very good signal. It's not a very good strategy. But I would urge you before you give money to the market, you give yourself knowledge. First, you give yourself knowledge first. 10 months, very nice. I get what you said. That's very nice. I hope you increase the knowledge until you feel comfortable. Until you feel comfortable, and every signal you enter, you do know what's going on, and that way you, in the long term, there will be bad days, like you lose 3 times in a row, or maybe 4 or 5, and then you say, this signal is not very good, I must do other strategy. So you don't use the same signal. That means your strategy no longer works. So when it comes to winning days, and you say, but you thought it's gonna be losing, so you don't use a strategy, so you use something else, and that's may not be the best way. If that makes sense, yeah. So anyway, we come back here, strong signal. Very strong signal. The take trade. Yeah, the stock just keeps going up. I think what's the, oh my goodness, the DX was not looking very bullish. คืออยากคิดเลยว่า tomorrow นะ there will be a very nice bullish sentiment. นี่ 1,100 ไปแล้วนะ DXY is falling TP ไหมคะมีสิทธิ์ครับแต่ผมออกไปแล้วครึ่งหนึ่ง พูดตรงๆเลยเพราะว่ายึกยักตรงนี้ผมออกเลยนะครับกำขี้เดียวกำตดนะครับ TP ไหมคะมองไปถึงไหนคะนี่ครับ3995.522ครับแค่นี้พอ 2,000 จุดนะครับถ้าเกิดคนที่ถือมือทองจริงๆแต่ผมอะไม่ใช่มือทองผมมองว่ามันไปได้แค่นี้มันชนจุดเพราะว่ามัน bearish มาทั้งวันแล้วแต่ว่าดูท่าทางมันมีโอกาสกลับตัวสูงTP แล้ว TP2 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 type 8888 to celebrate พิมพ์8888กันมาหน่อยนะครับ88กันมาหน่อยว่า TP2 กันนะครับอร่อยกันนะครับผมวันนี้ผมได้60แต่ถ้าเกิดคนที่ตามผมนะครับ so those who followed my plan wouldn't got $60 like me would got $120 or twice as much as what you would get yeah I'm just caution but this is the plan very nice non-farm bearish for DXY หรือเปล่า let's look at this the US dollar is going down when before the news ADP non-farm employment change คือบอกเลยว่าเขาอาจจะหลอกเราก็ได้นะครับเพราะว่าพระราหูเล็ง ผู้เล่นคือ so what's happening here is that the market or the people I don't know the insider trader would know something about this APA non-farm to do with USD okay in ทุ่ม15 so 1915 they know something that we don't that's why the price of gold is you know it's pricing in at this moment and it's already gone. The 1st of July ends with a positive of gold than yesterday. It warms my heart นะครับ bullish ทองผมมาทองไปถึง 6,000 แน่ครับ แต่เมื่อไหร่นี่สิ Big congratulations thank you so much TP2 very good it's my plan thank you I'll be here for another half an hour till 3 hours live session to you know beat the algorithm 4,000 4,000 will it go will it go will it come will it go psychological level นะ 4,000 but the scary thing is look at the volume just turn off everything but look at the volume very low volumeนะ the price goes up but the volume is low meaning that the market don't really support this move sorry you can't really see but here like the big green candle should supposed to have like this but the market don't really support this move so in order to become bullish like really confirmation we need to see a volume in the big green candle then maybe there's a chance for long term of course but right now we can only wait thank you that warms my heart if you like my content please don't forget to like subscribe and help me grow my channel I am planning to do more contents in the short term let me know if you want what kind of contents you guys want to see 4,000 already reclaimed oh wow very nice oh we see 4,000 again very nice $4,000 reclaimed but is it short-lived let's seeนะhow's my margin doing my margin 8,000 is okay XAU very nice 4 hours time frame not very nice. So I will not be trading anymore today because non farm นะครับ so just to recap what happened is that this one is they might have a recovery chance. There's a volume, the buyers saying that yeah, the price is right around here, so we may be able to get up here. And there it goes. แต่ว่า from bigger time frame it's just nothing. For bigger time frame, as you can see, we're here. There's nothing. There's nothing here. We probably need to at least have reclaim $100, but very, very unlikely now because there's no good news. Oil prices keep falling. The DXY, oh okay, DXY keeps falling. ใครมีเงินเย็นนะครับแนะนำให้ซื้อทองคำแท่งนะครับผมทองคำแท่งไปได้ไกลๆเลย1ปี2ปี3ปีเนี่ยเงินเย็นนี่หมายความว่าวันนี้คุณเอาไปให้อาม่าแล้วคุณลืมไปได้เลยเนี่ยเอาไปให้เลยครับหรือว่าคุณเอาไปให้บริจาควัดนะครับหรือว่าคุณเอาไปให้บริจาค charity of your choice ได้นะครับถ้าเท่าไหร่สมมติ1,000-2,000คุณก็ไปที่ห้างทองไปซื้อซะนะครับแล้วก็ลืมไปเลยทำงานอะไรต่อไปแล้วก็เยี่ยม Goodbye DXY Hello Gold 4,000 จุด 4,000 จุดถึงป่ะเนี่ยเกือบถึงนะ 4,000 จุดก็ประมาณนี้เลยนะครับถึงแน่นอนวันนี้ถ้า DXY ยังลงไปอีกนะครับถ้า DXY ดูไปเลยถ้าเกิดอันนี้ลงอันนี้ขึ้นสุดโกงเลยครับอันนี้ขึ้นแน่นอนเห็นไหมจะเลยวันนี้ไม่มีอะไรนะครับจะพิมพ์ไหมก็บอกว่า no trade trading view หันขึ้นตัว IQ ชัวร์สุดใช่ไหมครับ trading view หันขึ้นตัวของ XAUUSD คืออะไรครับคืออะไร indicator เหรอครับ DXY ตัวที่เปิดอยู่เห็นใช้ของ ICQ อ๋อครับคือตัวนี้เนี่ยบอกเลยว่ามันจะดู time frame day เขาเรียกว่า1 นาทีได้ค คือตัวอื่นอาจจะดูไม่ได้ตัวอื่นเขาจะดูได้แค่ day เท่านั้นคือเขาจะไม่ค่อยอัปเดตเหมือนกับไม่ค่อยอัปเดตเหมือนกับตัวอื่นนะครับทองไปถึงไหนแล้วนี่ไงไปแล้วโอ้4,000 จุดแน่นอนไปเลยลูกไม่ได้เข้านะครับไม่ได้เข้าแค่ใช่คือ DXY ตัวนี้เข้าไปดูเลยครับเติมความรู้เยอะๆก่อนจะเติมตังค์จริงนะครับเติมความรู้เยอะๆเลยและที่สำคัญ forward test สำคัญที่สุดนะครับคุณ back test สำคัญด้วยนะคุณเข้าใจระบบแล้วว่ามันเป็นยังไงมายังไง forward test สำคัญที่สุดหมายความว่าคุณเทสระบบของคุณแล้วนะครับอาจจะใช้ smart money concept หรือว่าจะใช้swing trade แล้วแต่แนวรับแนวต้านแล้วแต่คุณจะทำอะไรก็ได้นะครับ EMA เทสแล้วสัก100 ออเดอร์200 ออเดอร์แล้วค่อยเข้ามาเทรดแบบใช้ account ปลอมนะครับไม่ใช่ account จริงมันต้องเงินจริงนะสัก 2-3 เดือนให้ดูมูดตัวเองสิ่งสำคัญที่สุดสิ่งที่สำคัญที่สุด what's the most important thing is not your strategy but it's actually your psychology คือแบบ you อะต้อง you have to understand that psychology is the most important part in trading because you may have the best plan but your psychology doesn't follow your plan คือทำตามแผนไม่ได้ยังไงก็จบนะครับคุณจะต้องหนึ่งเลยต้องมี money management คือพอร์ตที่ราคาเรารับได้เงินที่เราไปเทรดคือเงินที่เรายอมที่จะเสียแล้วเราก็รู้ด้วยว่าถ้าเราทำเป็นตามระบบเราจะไม่ได้เสียมันตลอดเราจะได้มันตลอดแต่ถ้าเกิดคุณไม่เชื่ออย่างนั้นเนี่ยหา system ใหม่นะครับ you have to think and test it and also have faith in your own system once it's already been tested then you will have a faith in it and then you can go on about itโอ้นี่ไปแล้ว reclaim 4,000 แต่บอกเลยว่านะครับบอกเลยว่าอีก20 นาทีนะครับบอกเลยว่าภาพใหญ่ถ้าไม่ยืนเหนือนะยังไงก็ goodbye Peter ถ้าไม่ยืนเหนือนะครับ so if we cannot so I'm just gonna delete all this it's already been passed or maybe not I'm just gonna delete the numbers but I'm gonna leave it here as a evidence that we actually did win a trade ถ้าไม่ผ่านนี่นะถ้าปิดต่ำกว่าประมาณนี้นะปิดต่ำกว่านี้นะปิดต่ำกว่าเส้นนี้นะ if we close below this that means we are not out of the woods yet because I mean the volume is not too much look at the volume it's not much 4,000 จุดแล้วนะครับทุกท่าน 4,000 จุดแล้วนะครับโอ้ไปต่อนะครับไปต่อหรือพอแค่นี้เอาละเทรนด์ชัดเจนอย่างนี้นะครับเอาจริงๆล่ะคือผมก็ไม่อยากจะเทรดนอนฟาร์มนะ แต่เทรนด์มันชัดเจนอย่างนี้คือย่อบายแหละ ย่อบายคือ so this is a clear trend now this is no joke so if we first we need to identify the support levels what the fuck the support levels this is the first one in this area is the first one the very first one of support level because we're discovering the price now short term and the second one is here I would say this one I would say this one if the price goes down a touch this one's also a good one yeah this one's also a good one so you might be wondering why so many squaresคือแบบ it used to be some form of a price action that people want as you can see here people want to buy from here they did bounce then it out that it bounce this one people want to buy that bounce and then this one has some price action here C long I don't really play C long is just another way of saying the market has potential to continue up again คือ C long ไปได้ต่อหรือว่าพอแค่นี้ไม่รู้แต่ว่าส่วนใหญ่ C long ไปได้ต่อนะ this is C long keeps going this one another long this one keeps going never expected to break out like this the XY keeps falling on a non-farm payroll. Oh no, it's coming back. Come back แล้วนะไม่แน่นะหลอกก็ได้นะ so this may be a calm before the storm หลอกก็ได้นะคือ let's just say that I am no Nostradamus of trading. I can only tell you what's going on. If you see the dollar heading down, that means the gold price will go up. It keeps going. Keeps going. Okay. The volume started coming. Good, good. อันนี้นะครับ what we like to see นะ this volume นะ so very very confident in the uptrend now. Oh wow, okay. How confident? Not too confident. คือ volume เนี่ยยังไม่ beat อันนี้อยู่เลยนะยังไม่ beat นะแต่ก็ accumulation and then go up. So now we are wait ย่อ buy ย่อ buy ย่อ buy ย่อ buy ไปชิวๆkeeps going, gold just keeps giving. It's 9 more minutes, guys, and then I'm gonna have to go. But don't wanna play into non-farm personally. But if you do, it's clear. The trend is clear. Actually, I might change my mind. If it goes up, bounce. What do you say? Pull back, buy. Pull back, buy. Pull back, buy. For now, for now. For look at the bigger time frame, let's see the volume and the RSI. Yeah, exhaustion is bound to happen, but we are not seeing the RSI above 70 yet. So okay, now it's breaking the trend. It can perform something like this too. A hammerhead, very very bearish. So let's pray 37 minutes นะครับดูว่ามันเป็นยังไงแล้วก็ see if it can go up. โอเคมองเกี่ยวกับข่าวยังไงครับ ผมไม่มั่นใจแต่ว่าดูทิศทางแล้วเนี่ยพูดได้ยากมากเลยครับเพราะมันอาจจะหลอกเราก็ได้คือตอนแรกอ่ะมันราคามันก็ลงมาอยู่หรอกนะคือแนวต้านของ DXY นะข่าวดูแค่นี้เลยคนวงในเขาคิดยังไงกับข่าวคือตอนนี้เขาลงมาแล้วเขาก็ดูเหมือนจะกำลังจะกลับขึ้นไปแล้วบอกเลยว่าถ้านะครับทุ่ม15จับตามองเลยประมาณทุ่ม15ถึง2ทุ่มเนี่ยถ้าเกิดไอเนี้ยมันพุ่งขึ้นมาอย่างเงี้ยจบทองจบนะครับทองอย่าหวังอะไรมากทองดิ่งลงไปเลยครับแต่ว่าดูเหมือนกับว่าข่าวเขาจะเริ่มรู้อะไรบางอย่างที่เราไม่รู้ทองเริ่มขึ้นแสดงว่าUSD มันน่าจะกึ่งกังสักหน่อยเนาะอันนี้ก็ความเห็นส่วนตัวนะครับ so for those who are just wondering the news in about an hour and 45 minutes actually how it's gonna be is that it's basically just look at the data don't interpret it because the whales already know what's going to happen and they will tell you what's going to happen in their money so if the money goes in here this is 15 minutes this is today has been adding all the money in here and then just before the news you can see there's the momentum starting to die down it can only mean two things the first one is that the market is waiting for a decision the second one is the market is already know that the DXY is not going to move any higher because the policy is mediocre judging นะครับ judging from the US jobs cuts here and the market doesn't react that good meaning that the DXY doesn't really move that high showing that it's may have a sign of weakness for the dollar but for the gold there's a strength now and the volume starting to come back on the buy side not as much as here or here but let's see but the volume is very low and the price is high so it's good it's good but it's not as good I want to see something like the volume like this for here but not yet so mostly people would start taking profit or something okay ฮัลโหลเอาละครับได้เวลาที่เราต้องจากกันไปแล้วนะครับผม so this is goodbye for the news I think there might be a surprise but looking at it doesn't seem like a surprise to me or maybe the US dollar might be rising นะครับ so before I go I would like to leave you with my always 4 effortsอย่า4 ข้อที่อยากให้จำนะครับ first one is protect your capital second one protect your profit third one protect your discipline and the fourth one is protect your soul คืออยากให้รักษาทุนอยากให้รักษากำไรได้กำไรมาเราต้องรักษากำไรนะครับห้ามไปปั้นพอร์ตให้ความโลภมันมีปล่อยโอกาสให้มันปล่อยกับความโลภรักษาวินัยมีวินัยที่ดีอยู่แล้วนะครับก็คือวินัยอันไหนที่ดีก็คือวินัยที่ทำเงินให้เราได้นะครับถ้าดีอยู่แล้วรักษาถ้าไม่ดีทิ้งไปแล้วก็รักษาใจตัวเองในการเทรดนะครับเราต้องรักษาใจในการเทรดนะครับห้ามหยิบกราฟเข้ามาดูทุกๆ13 วินาทีมันให้ healthy นะมันไม่ healthy เลยนะครับแสดงว่าเงินที่เราใส่เข้าไปเนี่ยมันมากเกินไปลองลดเงินมาให้น้อยหน่อยนะครับแล้วค่อยว่ากันแล้วก็เทรดให้น้อยลงนะครับผมแต่ว่าให้คมขึ้นให้ทำท่าประจำทำซ้ำได้สำหรับวันนี้ก็ไปแล้วนะครับ and thank you for you guys for watching and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow for another session. Let's see the aftermath of non-farm and of course tonight the Fed chairman Wash will keep speaking. He's gonna keep speaking. Yeah, see you soon. สวัสดีครับ Bye. Thank you for sharing likes. Thank you for the comments ขอบคุณที่คอมเมนต์นะครับรู้สึกอุ่นใจมากเลยมีกำลังใจทำต่อไปแล้วก็เจอกันครับสวัสดีครับ